In this video, I am going to show you on how you can use placeholder text in Zendesk Macros. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. From here, open a ticket. Now, in this ticket, I will paste a sample text with Zendesk Macros. Now, let us explain how this works. As you can see, I type in hello and this text. Now, by default, what this is going to do is automatically put in the name or the first name of our ticket requester, regardless of who our ticket requester is. By putting this as a macro, this will automatically put in his or her name right here after hello. And then, thank you for contacting us regarding ticket number. This macro would then put in or automatically put in the ticket number of the said ticket. Lastly, best regards, as you can see, this last macro would then put the current username of whoever or whatever account are you using. So how can we make these macros? We'll go to the top left in support and then click on Admin Center. After going to Admin Center, we're going to go to Workspace. From Workspace, go to Macros. And then right here is where you can edit your pre-existing macros or create new ones right here by typing in the macro name, the description, who would be available to either for all agents, for you only, or for agents in a group. And lastly, what actions will this macro correspond to or do to your ticket? Once done, simply click on create. And now you can use this macro for all your tickets. So if you find this video helpful, please like and share and use our affiliate links given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.